Check. Okay, welcome. And today, quick episode. I'm gonna show you where the Bitcoin is and what coins we can pick up on the dip. So let's go. Hello everyone, welcome at Crypto Bear Trap. I'm thinking actually to change this channel's name to much more like it, to kind of to show the image of these vibes here. Okay, so maybe it's gonna be changed. I just have to see if YouTube allowed to change the name. I don't know. We will see. We'll see. So let's go. So Bitcoin in today's morning, when we were kind of giving the update first. The Bitcoin was stopping at this level, exactly at this level. And what we are counting is that Bitcoin will try to do rising ending diagonal. So it's going to go like this. And then once it's going to reach the top here, it's going to break down. So this is a typical for the last fifth wave. I was thinking something in between, so A, B, C. Then like this is a wave 3, so wave 4 would be something like this, but it's kind of bearish. Okay, so we might kind of A, B, C, D. Yeah. So usually if it's bullish, this formation 2, 4 or C, D, okay, let's say here, if you're going to start from here, would be at the breakout. Okay, so then it's kind of bullish, and I see these patterns are breaking to the upside recently. So what I'm counting is that if we're gonna get this level 42, then we can start doing this diagonal. And all these coins that are now, let's say like a Tara, look, it is looking good in this section. We may see that it will break to the upside. The Tara is one of my kind of startups. Next one, which we did on the group, is STX. So we catch this STX just before the breakout, just here, and I said just stop loss below that. So at the moment it's pumping, and look what is happening in STX. Look, bam, bam, and this neckline is broken, so the target would be really high. I think the STX is now pumping because there is a sovereign SOV, sovereign. The project which is releasing quite good news about the Bitcoin and this whole, let's say, narration. So STX is a competitor, but both coins are the same narration. Yeah, GameSwift had a nice dip, and it's now pumping, so it's too late. Blockchain Bank is pumping as well. They're gonna be soon replaced to Fidium. If you hold their coins on their app, the transit will be automatically. If you hold it on Blockchain Bank on the MetaMask, you have to do it yourself once they will release liquidity pool for this change. The easiest way, to be honest, is to sell these coins now and buy once the Fidium will be released, buy new coin. That's what I would do. Okay, Link is having this divergence now, bullish. No, it doesn't have bullish. Yes, has a bullish divergence, so it is try to pump as well. I think it's doing the ABCD, okay, pattern. I think it's doing ABCD pattern, so that's what I'm counting. Other coins, not really. Dreams, I think Dreams is now setting up this range here, and the Dreams could stay. They have a game. I'm looking at this small coin, okay? This is a Tesla AI. That's one of the small coins on Maxis, okay? So this one and this IMX, whatever that is, okay? These are the very small coins. Look how many zeros they have. Usually what the crowd is doing, they are buying them because they see that this coin could go to, let's say, $1. That's how they are thinking, okay? So I'm buying this small bag. We used to buy this here. It's pump, nice, we sold it. Now I have the kind of bag that, you know, I can kind of risk-free. So we actually bought this here the first time, yeah? And the second time it was pumping here, I also sold. And I think it's going to this side. So it may go sideways a little bit, and then it's gonna try to meet with this EMA. I don't know. If you wanna buy on Maxis, no problem. Like the small let's say small kind of approach could give you around, well, if it's going to go to this 200, it's going to give you 150 x's. I don't think so it's going to go like this, but I'm kind of thinking it's going to go to at least this level, which is 300%. Well, that's easy to do for this very small coin. And the same thing with this Tesla something, okay? So watch for it. Everything which is AI, it's pumping. Agix, for example, I see Agix quite good. However, there is a strong divergence on the daily, okay, as well. This is 5 hourly, but on daily. So till Agix will not going to come back on 32 cents, I'm not going into that trade. Just that's it. No, the same thing with Ocean Protocol. Looks like for me that it's gonna go here, so head and shoulders, and then go down. That's what I'm kind of thinking. This week I think what these coins are doing is just a lower high, and then here, and then maybe the week after Christmas, okay, Santa rally, we may go with Bitcoin up, okay? So the Bitcoin will do this ending diagonal. Okay, I would say that this is it. Oh, what I'm looking at is a Polkadot, okay? We started Polkadot today. You see, I'm doing this on Telegram. I have a quite big Telegram channel, and I wouldn't have time to publish this in English on the Telegram, so I can give you the link of the free group. You can actually, if you have a premium Telegram, you can translate everything. So it's a free, the group is free, yeah. So and it's biggest in my country. So well, we can do like this. Target achieved here. We were counting on this target. So now I'm gonna kind of put my stop loss up, and that's it. Okay, so let's go to the news. Look, these are this expectation express that it won't be too cheap anymore. It's never gonna be so cheap again. Okay, look, the house prices are like in a 2008 boom, were four times the ratio between the house price and incomes, and here it's 4.5. Okay, so in this section we can see overheat. Okay, the normal price, the average price, is in a round of three something. Okay, 3 something. So it's heavily outside of the spec. Okay, what I'm thinking, if after this correction, when we're gonna calculate the average, it will be maybe something like this. Yeah, but anyway, we are at the red zone. Okay, red zone. So like everything which you see, it's like a Bitcoin at the top, and here nobody wants these houses. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm waiting. I'm not in US, but it's everywhere the same thing. Okay, everywhere the same thing. Appetite for dollar slumps to lower since 2020. So nobody wants the dollars. Okay, at the moment. Okay, and suddenly, okay, Fed will pivot, and then everybody would like to have a dollar. Everybody. Okay, so investors baffled after Powell turbocharges slide in U.S. rate. So people are worrying that the S&P stocks may not be, too optimistic to go up. But who cares? It's ape thinking that the people will kind of buy everything, because that's what they think. Chihuahua, nice. Okay, so that's the normal vibe of this channel. Okay, I was showing this here, this episode. Ape thinking, okay? Ape thinking, watch it yourself. People think that when the Fed will lower the rates, okay, there are gonna be instant influence of money, okay? And everything will go up. However, we know that the Fed is too late, and then the economy, although it's going, let's say the stocks is going up, economy is going down, dragging stocks with themselves, okay? And the very interesting thing happens in the IBM. IBM shows kind of racist insinuations in the direction to white people. So if you're going to type into the internet, there is a leakage of CEO meeting, some management meeting in IBM, where a CEO of IBM, CEO, claims that he will not going to give bonuses to the white people, that only different people than the white people should be employed. That's strange. Like, you can watch this entire, like he says, like a good few points there, I'm not going to be repeating them here because, everything which you're going to say is, whoa, Strange. Now, I don't know, did you watch this movie? This movie is the Leave the World Behind, but this movie is just packed with all these inside Easter eggs. Basically, the Michelle and Barack Obama were kind of director executives there. So, like, for me, this is the roadmap. What's gonna happen with the world? Okay, everything here has some sort of meaning. Like this when they were dancing. Look at the name which is on this vinyl disc. Okay, that's one. Then they are dancing. That's a jazz music, old music. So they leave the town. They don't have anything. They a city. They don't have anything. Okay, and they rely on the black people here. Okay, that's another thing. Then they are dancing in a jazz. Okay, and dancing, having nothing, means that you are dancing and you don't have anything. You're gonna be happy and you don't have anything. Another thing is the ship that arrived on the beach. The name is White Lion. White Lion was the first ship that arrived into America, which wasn't America by the time, which brought African slaves. Okay, it's the first ship, and the date was, I think the date was 1619, the radio frequency when this father of that boy stopped with the car. Yeah, I'm telling you, I watched this movie twice already, but I'm gonna watch this more. I'm gonna watch this more in this movie. So it's anyway. I am waiting till our greed episode will go up, like here, and here. I'm just waiting. I am just waiting for that thing. I'm just waiting for that. So that's why I think the Bitcoin can go up. ING, nice. I think ING may go to $37, $38, and then I will try to short it. We will see. Crypto waves. Always look at crypto waves. This is a good portal. Shows you overheat, underheat coins. Then that's why you can do it. Look what happens in the Germany. Look, that's farmers who was protesting against the government rules about this zero emissions and all this thing. Look, you see, nobody likes World Economic Forum, and we are rising. If you watch normal television, your brain is probably programmed. If you don't watch, you can see what is happening. And rising together, we can make a change. Rising together. They will not going to stop 1 million people, let's say. There is a song, Blue Boys, Blue Band. They can't arrest it all. There was something like this in the text. It was a kind of rap song. I don't know. Men in Blue? No. Men in Blue. Oh, something like this. I don't remember. Maybe Nas was saying this. Anyway, Bank of England has a plan for interest rates. So they want to cut the interest rate due to uncertainties in the UK labour market and wage growth data. So now they are thinking, oh, hold on a second. We may cut this rate because we are dying. I'm telling you. Do you remember one of the first episodes on the channel? I said they need justification to lower the rate. And justification event is coming. Something is coming. Palau, I think this is this island that is, given these digital identities that you can buy them even if you live in US. Yeah, so all the exchanges could be open for you. If you live in UK, okay, all the exchanges could be open for you. They are implementing CBDC. I think that's the same name. I may be wrong. Okay, Palaus. I think so. To simplify transaction. Yeah, that's right. So Phase 2 aims to establish a resilient digital ecosystem. Notably, the Republic of Palau, has enlisted Ripple as a strategic technology partner for this phase. Ripple's carbon neutral. Since when CBDC is carbon neutral? What about the software? What about the servers and the network which is powering this thing? Like how they can be so ridiculous? That's another data use against them, could be used. Ripple's carbon. So people think that the Ripple will be doing CBDC here, but I think it's a Ripple will be only helping to create CBDC, because what's the point of running CBDC, let's say some central governmental coin, on a blockchain which is available to view by everyone else? So I think it's only going to be like, let's say, advising. That's what I think. We will see. But people may understand this wrongly, and XRP could pump. Revolut will discontinue business, okay, allowing crypto purchases for business clients, okay. Retail clients will have the will be not experience any changes. So I don't know, but Revolut is suspending crypto services for UK. So how UK wants to be a crypto hub is they are not allowing businesses to operate, to buy, and sell crypto, to use something. I think what they say is that, remember this movie when there was a invasion from Mars, this comedy. I have to remind myself. What was the name? Martians are attacking, something like this. And they were saying we come in peace, and they shoot everyone. Another kind of country, we come in peace, they kill everyone. So UK is saying, we're gonna be crypto hub, and they're destroying all the companies. That's what I can see. Anyway, the ETFs are coming. This is a Bitwise ETF, and Bitwise ETF. There's a nice ad here. You can type it probably in YouTube, okay? And there's a bar here. People are talking, and what is popular now? And this man, he says, the popular is Bitcoin, okay? So we are getting Grayscale says that once the ETFs will be unlocked, okay, 30 trillion wealth will get into the crypto thing. Only 30 trillion dollars. So maybe that's overvalue. Maybe it's gonna come within, let's say, 5 years, 10 years, okay? But the S&P is 30 trillions. And look what happens on the S&P. Look, it's obvious that when we're gonna go to S&P, look, if they want to have, how much you can push S&P. Look, how much you can push the S&P forward. How much money you need to push S&P, let's say, from 4,800 to about, let's say, 9,600, yeah? 9,600. So let's say 100%. How much money you need? Probably about $30 trillion. How much money you need to push Bitcoin, okay? One second. How much money to push Bitcoin, okay, from the place where the Bitcoin is now, or crypto, to, let's say, 100%. You need maybe a couple of trillion, maybe $1 trillion. That's it. Maybe less, actually even less, to put this price on. The entire market is probably $1 trillion. So what will happen if you put, let's say, 5 trillions? For your clients, you can get expected superb results, which they need. So game is simple. Okay, take care, listen, have a good one, and remember, watch the movie on Netflix, Leave the World Behind, and have your thoughts about this. See you and take care.